I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to test ideas for your restaurant, cafe, bar, whatever sort of venue you're opening in SketchUp. So this is the free version. You just go in here, log in, do what you need to do to get to the screen. It's self-explanatory. Then you just click this button, which is a rectangle. Click on there, and then type in here your dimensions. You see down in this bottom right-hand corner, it says what the dimensions are. So that I'm going to do the smaller dimension first and the larger one second. Let's say my venue's 4 meters wide by 15 meters long. Now the next tool we're going to use is called offset. So all we do is just go to that one there, and then we click here, and then we pull outwards. And I'm going to type in 200. What that means is we're creating a 200 deep wall. Then just click on this line here, press that, which is the move tool, click there once and just move it to there. So next up, what we want to do is just double click, right click, and then make that a group. That just stops things interacting weirdly with each other. So we'll just double click in here, and then we're going to use the push pull tool, which is this one here. Click on that, and then pull that. Let's say our walls are 3 meters high. Now we're going to double click on that one again and make that a group. I want to show you how to add some different colors to the wall so we can test that stuff out. Let's say that the first part of this whole shop is, let's say it's 6 meters. So we'll take that tape measure there. We'll click on that, click on this one here, type in 6,000, then press space bar, double click again so it goes inside this group. Click on that, which is the pencil, and then when it intersects, it'll make that little cross. You pull that up there, done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have concrete on this wall, but then we're going to put some timber on the bottom part. So I'm going to go pull that up, get that tape measure again, click on it, pull it up to 900 high, and then I'm going to press that rectangle again. So I'll go up here, which is the rectangle, or I can click R. And then I'm going to click there once, and then I'm going to move it all the way over here and find that intersection there. And now I've divided this wall up into 3 things. I'm just going to click out of there so it's like that. I can delete these guides, just select them and press delete. Then I'm going to import some textures. So let's say we want a concrete texture. We just type in concrete texture repeating into Google, find an image we like, open it up, and then just save it as. Save it where you want. I've already done that. I did some with some timber as well, and I saved that one. So then we just go back over here and we double click in here, and we can then we can go B for bucket, or this one here. Just make sure you're inside this group now, and we go import, we say my device, we click that one there, we find our file, we click concrete, put it on there, import it as a material, and then just click and then pull it up. And now it's gone in there, but that's okay. It just went on the wrong area because I did it a little bit wrong, but I can now click on this one and I can put it in here as well. And let's say the floor is concrete as well. We double click on there and put that in there. Then we want to have like a timber line, a half height thing. So let's create another rectangle. We'll click on that, click here, and then we're going to pull this out 20 millimeters. So we use that push pull tool, that one there, and we pull it out and we type in 20, and then we double or triple click on that, right click it, make it a group, then go in there, make sure we're in there, and then we can press import, my device, find our timber and put it there. Use it as a material, bring it in, scale it till the scale looks about right. Like, there it starts to get blurry, but we get it to about that size, and boom, it's there. And you can see it's not on those other sides. So let's just double click in there again, select the material, press Command A, and then do it again. And there it is. And there's that timber on the wall. You can see how easy that was. Let's say we wanted to make a bar now, and our bar would take our tape measure tool, and it starts from this point here. And then we just type in 900 there because it's 900 deep. And then we use orbit, which rotates around, which is that one, so we can look around, zoom in and out. Let's use the tape measure again, put it there, go type in 1 meter. Let's get the rectangle, and then we can take one of these corners, make a rectangle over there, press that push pull button, pull it up, and that's now 900 high. Now if we can do two things here. We can use that B or bucket tool, click that. If we wanted that timber counter, we can make it a group so it's all on its own there. And then we can experiment with anything. We can bring any sort of color into here. We can import any sort of material to your heart's desire on the internet and just add these things. We can then later add furniture. We can add all sorts of things to this model, furniture, equipment, everything. And so if you look at this is the exact same model, just with more things added. This is where you add your furniture, more colors to the floor, different types of furniture, you add people. It's that exact same process. You just keep stepping through that, adding things here and there. You can do this in a few hours. It's such a simple piece of software.